Salary in on first, broke by 20th. Every single month it's the same story. All my friends are enjoying their vacation in Goa, and here I am, stuck with empty wallet. Maybe I'm destined to stay poor forever. Oh yeah, absolutely. What a tragic Netflix original. A broke guy and his lost vacation. Come on bro, you're not cursed. You don't need magic, you just need to handle your money smarter, not harder. Smarter, harder, I don't know that stuff. No one has ever taught me that. Everyone just says save money. But how? Gentlemen, may I cut in? Technically speaking, there is one singular money habit that consistently separates the wealthy from the rest. Really? One habit? Please tell me. Isn't it, bro? The professor is about to drop the science. Mental accounting, a concept by Nobel laureate Richard Taylor, explains how people mentally divide money into categories like rent, groceries, entertainment, savings. The trouble is, most treat savings as optional, the wealthy, however, treat it as non negotiable. Wait, accounting? Do I need a calculator for my brain? So, bro, what professor is meaning to tell is think of your brain making tiny jars like rent jar, food jar, or Netflix jar, and you showed the savings jar so far back, even cockroaches need Google Maps to find it. Wait, a jar of savings? I never ever had a jar of savings ever in my life. No wonder my wallet feels like a empty tiffin box after lunch. Exactly. That's where pay yourself first comes in. It means this: the moment your salary arrives, you pay your savings account before rent, before food, before impulse shopping. Not at the end of the month, but at the day one. Professor, you know what? I've actually been doing this without knowing the fancy name. On my salary day, I manually move 5,000 rupees into a separate account. Guess what? When my bike broke down last year, boom, no EMI stress, no begging friends. Savings jar, add my back. Seriously? That simple trick saved you? Empirical studies from behavioral finance confirm this. Automated savings enforce discipline, reduce mental stress, and importantly, create psychological boundaries. In short, your money protects itself because your mind made it untouchable. Huh. Okay, professor, that sounds solid. But walk me through this process. How does this pay yourself first thing actually work in real life? And moreover, how can I automate this process? Very well. Observe. Step 1 is automated allocation. The moment income arrives, say your salary on the first, a fixed percentage is immediately transferred into a separate savings or investment account. This happens before your spending account even sees it. Wait. Do you mean my savings get kidnapped even before I touch them? Exactly, bro. And this is the only kind of kidnapping you will thank later. Step 2 is creating a dedicated mental account. By routing funds straight into that separate account, your brain treats it as untouchable. Psychology, you have drawn a line. It's no longer fun money, it is savings. This reduces temptation to dip into it for trivialities. Huh. Oh, that's why my savings always disappear. I never separated them. They were parting with my food, vacation, and gadget money all these times. Exactly. Your rent, your biryani, and your sneakers were raiding the same jar, bro. Finally, step 3 is budgeting with the remainder. After savings are locked away, then you use what's left for rent, groceries, entertainment. The magic here is that savings are treated as your first expense. This normalizes the act and prioritizes long term goals or fleeting gratification. Oh, so instead of waiting what's left to save, I flip it. Save first and spend second. Professor, that actually makes sense. Oh, finally. There you go, bro. Brain unlocked. Even Taylor himself will be so proud of you. Your brain can't party with cash, it never sees. No DJ, no dance. On a serious note, once my buddy labeled one account Paris trips, and then, even when food delivery apps threw him 50% off on pizza, he wouldn't touch that account. because in his mind, it was already Eiffel Tower money. This is genius. I'm going to be rich in no time. Forget Paris fund. I'm going to have Lamborghini fund. Technically, no. This is no lottery. Wealth doesn't erupt overnight. It compounds quietly but powerfully over years. Huh? Okay. Slow and steady wins the wealth race. Got it. Don't worry, bud. You don't need a Lamborghini jar. What you need are practical steps you can start today, and guess who's got them? Alright, bro, here's your starter kit to wealth. Step 1. Pick a percentage. Let's say 25% of your salary. Doesn't matter if it's small, it's about starting. Step 2. Set up an auto transfer on payday, straight into a savings account. No excuses, no delays. Step 3. Label that account. Call it Future SEV, Dream Home, or even Paris Trip Fund. The name tricks your brain into protecting it. Step 4. Importantly, now forget about it. Pretend it's your ex, completely invisible. Budget only with what's left. What? That's it? That's the big money hack? Bro, I can totally do this. I swear, I'm setting it up right after this video, and maybe I will call mine Pizza Emergency Fund. See, even simple Vishakh over here is ready to get rich. If he can do it, trust me, you can too. So, fam, your move is simple. Pay yourself first. Start today, even with a tiny amount. Trust me, your future self will hug you for it. And hey, if you don't want to end up broke by the 20th like me, smash like, share this video with your buddies, and subscribe to Think Rich with Vishakh. Because the first step to get rich isn't making more, it's paying yourself first. And that, my friends, is the one habit that separates the rich from the rest.